Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a direct linking campaign with Bing ads and Clickbank. And before I get started, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. To illustrate this, I wanted to show you the way we would normally set up a campaign when we are advertising on Bing ads. So let's have a look at an example. So say someone's searching on Bing and they're searching for something that will help them lose weight in say 90 days, and when they hit enter, your ad shows up in position number 1, showing or whatever weight loss program that you're promoting. So they click on the ad and they go through to a landing page. Now let's say you spend a week or two on creating a review on the product that you're promoting, saying that this is the best weight loss program out there, guaranteed to make you lose weight in 90 days or whatever, something like that. So the person reads and is intrigued, and you place your links throughout this review post. And at any point in time while they're reading, they decide to click on your hop link, the button, the link, thereafter, which directs them to the sales page of the affiliate offer. And there they watch the video, they purchase the product if they're interested in it, if they like it, they purchase the product, and you get your cut, your commission, and the vendor gets his cut, plus he also acquires a new customer. So everyone is happy. You're happy, the vendor is happy, and the customer is happy. But there is a slight problem with this method. It's this: there is friction between the ad and the sales page, and this is where many people will drop out. You see, customers are more likely to drop off the more steps they have to complete, right? So imagine this: someone clicks on your ad, heads over to a landing page, and the landing page has been prepared in detail, explaining to them about the product and your review, your honest review. And during that time, this person's getting 1 million notifications on email, 1,000 WhatsApp messages. His wife is nagging him. He has to either pick up his kids from school, or his boss is behind his back because he has to complete a report that is due the next day. So taking all these distractions into consideration, they are more likely not to go through a landing page at all, and they're more likely to drop off before ending up on your sales page. So it is for this reason, ideally, we would like someone to click on our ad and then directly land them to the sales page of the offer. This will increase our chances of conversion, and there is no friction between the ad and the sales page. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to direct link any offer you have when you're advertising on Bing. So let's get to it. So the first thing you've got to do is pick an offer. So I'm going to pick an offer from clickbank.com because I just prefer Clickbank. It's easier for me to market Clickbank products. And so I'm just gonna head over to the marketplace here, and I'm just gonna press this magnifying glass so I get to see the best products overall on Clickbank. Okay, so the top offer here is research, the Godzilla of offers, right? So this is really a good offer. As you can see, the gravity is 363. That's very high, and the commission payout is really quite good also. It's over $100, so it's worth promoting this offer. So I'm just gonna press promote, and tracking ID, just gonna put Bing for now, and I'm just gonna generate my hop link. Okay, so this is the link that's gonna give credit to me. Basically, if anyone purchases through this link, I'm gonna get credit for the sale. I will get my commission of $114, was it? Yeah, $114. So it is a long and ugly link. Oh, lie, it's quite an ugly link, but don't worry, I've got you sorted for that. So we're just gonna save this link somewhere. Example, have a notepad open. Just gonna have a notepad. Just copy this link. And paste it right here and save it. Thereafter, now let's set up our campaign on Bing Ads. Just head over to Bing Ads, and as you can see, I am running a research supplement. I am running this offer on Bing at the moment. So what's the goal of our campaign? Just click on visit to my website. Okay, cool. So the campaign name is going to be research. Budget $20, that's fine. Location, I like to start with the United States. Target that. Just leave this part checked only, uncheck this. English. Alright, save and go to the next step. The ad group name, you're going to type in research once again. And under keywords, I'm just going to write in here how to lose weight in 90 days. Oops, 90 days. Just save and go to the next step. Now that we've set up our campaign and did our keywords, our ad group, now we get into the nitty-gritty stuff of creating the ad itself. So I'm just going to click create ad, and this is really important. I want you to just observe or just pay attention to what I'm about to say now. See where it says final URL. We're not going to add in our hop link over here. This is the URL that people will land eventually after they click onto our ads. Eventually they will land off to this URL. So I want you to think of it as a display URL, right? So let's head over and get the URL for the product, and we're gonna paste it in there. And relax, our hop link, we're gonna add in our hop link at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you right over here under URL options. I'm gonna explain to you just now, but for now, under final URL, we're gonna get in the product website, which is research.com. Cool. So just gonna write here research.com. Okay, cool. So as you can see under mobile view, the person who is searching for the product or who's seeing our ad will see this display URL. This is the URL that they will land at eventually. So for our headline, I'm just really going to do this quick because it's not the main purpose of my video. So I'm just going to write here research official. Well, this is gonna land up on the research official landing page. So technically not speaking any lies over here. I'm just gonna write something like free delivery today. I'm just right here. Free shipping. Well, of course you're gonna have to do your research and, you know, make it into a proper ad. Right, I'm gonna write here. Quickly, I just wanna write lose weight in 90 days. Copy that. I'm just gonna paste that there as well. Paste it there as well. It's saying we're duplicating the headline. Okay, so in that case, I'm just gonna paste it here. Actually, I'm gonna paste it under the description. As you can see, lose weight in 90 days. Okay, now let's get to the very important part, and the actual purpose of this video is to show you how to direct link and how to get credited for the sale. Thereafter, you want to go to where it says add URL options and just click the drop down button, and where it says tracking template, traditionally this field is used for tracking software, and the tracking software gives us, the advertiser, a special link that they can put in here, and then what Bing Ads will do is send the visitor through that tracking link to go to eventually go to that landing page or the sales page. And what that does is that it gives the tracking software lots and lots of information about the visitor, so that, you know, we can optimize the campaign, etc. So we can use this tracking template to put our hop link in, and Big Ad is going to recognize that our hop link is a tracking template, and eventually will redirect the visitor to the landing page. So in the beginning, remember, we copied our hop link and saved it here in our notepad. So we're just going to grab our hop link once again, copy it and paste it here onto the tracking template. And don't worry, this link will not be shown anywhere to the visitor. Our visitor will see this link only, research.com, as I showed you. And make sure after we've pasted in our link, we want to test this this hop link of ours and make sure that it eventually does lead to the affiliate offer or the sales page. So we're just going to test. And boom, a landing page has been found. So if you click on these three dots, you will get some more details. Our landing page found, tracking URL successful. Boom, everything seems to work fine. Thereafter, what you want to do is save. After, we're going to come to this page, which we really don't need to do anything over here. So we're just going to save and go to the next step, and we can sort out our budget here. Our bid strategy, I should keep it manual, and $1 for my bid. I normally keep it up to $1. thereafter just save it and it's into review. Okay guys, so basically this is how you set up a direct linking campaign using Bing ads and Clickbank. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers in the next 4 months. So each person that subscribes to my channel, you're getting me closer to my goal, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like button and leave any inspiration or any comments you have, any questions you have, leave them in the comments, and I would really love to see what you have to say, and I will definitely answer your questions as soon as possible. So until further ado, take care.